Hello, welcome on our challenge, 30 days down dog yoga challenge, and this is our day 12. Okay, we're getting stronger and getting more flexible. You start to feel all the positive benefits of doing just few minutes every day. And also we support Pawsitivity campaign. Get yourself ready, start now. Okay. Let's start today on your knees. You're going to bring your left leg to your side, squeeze your glutes on your left and lift your left arm. Inhale, slowly exhale, bend to your left side, relax your left shoulder. Feel nice stretch on your right, as well as your left leg. If the muscle is really tight, you're going to feel your left leg as well. Inhale and exhale. Please remember, you can do as many reps as you're feeling fine for you. If it be too many, you can just stop. Remember, yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay, now right leg straight, squeezing buttocks muscles on your right. Inhale, left arm straight and relax your right shoulder. Inhale, slowly exhale. Good breaths, nice smile. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And relax. Okay, now on your 4, lift your feet and start to move side to side. Feel nice, stretch in your lower back, mobilize your spine. Strengthen your wrist, your arms, yes. Okay, now tuck your toes under, inhale, exhale. Try to go to the down dog position. Don't have to be straight away, really high with your hips. Just slowly work. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. If you find try to hold, march on the spot. Feel this nice stretch in your calves, your hamstrings, all the muscles back of your legs. You're actually improving strength in your upper body as well as the flexibility in the lower part. Inhale, slowly exhale. Let's go back on your 4. And now right foot forward. Right arm behind to reach for your left. Squeeze your glutes on your left side. Inhale. Slowly exhale, lean forward, but squeeze your shoulder blades. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay, now left leg forward, squeezing glutes on your right, and now left arm behind her to keep your body nice and upright, to stretch your left hip, glutes area, as well as lower back. Inhale, slowly exhale. Check your beautiful smile. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. On your 4, move your hands forward. Inhale. As you exhale, try to move back and down to stretch your upper body. Inhale and exhale, chest, shoulders. You're going to feel your glutes and lower back as well. Again, don't worry, maybe you need to just go a few inches. You can't go that low, which is fine. Find your own option. Work with your body, respect your limitations. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, form arms on the floor. Squeeze your glutes to bring your hips. And now I've got right arm front of you. Make a fist and you can rest your chin or your forehead. And you're just bending your left leg, holding your glutes muscles engaged. So as you've bent your knee, you push your hip down to the floor to stretch your hip flexor. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale. Okay, left arm front of you. Right leg. Inhale and exhale. Good. Squeezing glutes. Feel stretch front of your right leg. But you're building the strength in your lower back and your glutes. Last one. Inhale and exhale. And try. How are we doing today? Okay, form arms maybe. Or you're ready to lift slightly higher. Or as you got your straight arms. What's the mobility in your spine? How your muscles, okay? Just remember, you can lift higher only if your lower back is absolutely fine, okay? You need to be comfortable with every single position, but especially for the lower back extension. Inhale and exhale. Form arms, press your elbows, knees to the floor to lift your hips. And let's move to child pose. Rock your hips side to side. You can rest or try again down that position. Maybe instead working on the spot, you're ready to hold the stretch. So you've got right leg, balance is on your right leg, left barely is touching the floor. But if it's too much, bend your right knee as well, okay? And try to switch. So you're feeling the stretching on your left side, but you're holding a little bit longer compared as you're working on the spot. And slowly on your forearm arms, slowly lay down your belly, stay in baby cobra position, hands to lift your chest higher. Inhale and slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Form arms again, building the strength in your core. This great transition really works for stronger lower back and your belly area. And let's roll up. Inhale left and slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you for today, for still doing yoga with us every day. Just a few minutes makes all the difference, you guys. And yeah, we are really feeling very privileged and happy to support this amazing campaign, Pawsitivity. Okay, so all the details you will find below the video. If you enjoyed this one, this day 12, our 30-day down dog yoga challenge, please give us a thumbs up. You can leave the comments if you're doing every day and how you're feeling right now after 12 days doing yoga. So thank you for now, and I see you tomorrow. Bye guys.